In a bold demonstration of its growing military capabilities, Iran recently showcased its advanced air defense technologies during a military drill in the Persian Gulf. The highlight of the drill was the successful live-fire test of the 9-day missile system, a domestically developed platform designed to protect critical infrastructure from a wide range of aerial threats. This marks the first public demonstration of the latest generation of the 9-day system, which signals a major milestone in Iran's air defense strategy. The 9-day is a short-range, mobile missile system optimized for targeting low-flying threats like drones, ballistic missiles, and aircraft. With a range of 5 to 30 kilometers and a ceiling of up to 20 kilometers, the system can effectively engage a broad spectrum of aerial threats. But what makes the system stand out is its advanced radar systems, capable of detecting and engaging multiple targets simultaneously, ensuring quick and accurate interception. Alongside the 9-day, the Iranian military also demonstrated the use of AI-powered missiles, marking a significant leap in missile technology. These AI-guided missiles adapt to real-time battlefield conditions, adjusting their flight paths and strike strategies autonomously to ensure greater precision. This innovation gives Iran the ability to target high-value threats with enhanced accuracy, positioning them as a more formidable power in the region. The development of the 9-day and AI-powered missiles is part of Iran's ongoing efforts to strengthen its defense capabilities in response to escalating tensions, particularly with Israel. By focusing on indigenous defense technology, Iran reduces its dependence on foreign suppliers, allowing it to circumvent international sanctions and maintain a robust defense posture. The 9-day system's success is a direct result of Iran's commitment to self-sufficiency in military technology. Since the U.S. withdrawal from the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action in 2018, Iran has focused on strengthening its domestic defense infrastructure, ensuring its ability to defend itself against potential adversaries. This is particularly important as Israel continues to voice concerns over Iran's missile and nuclear programs. As regional tensions intensify, Iran's growing ability to produce advanced air defense systems like the 9-day is becoming crucial. The system's mobility, advanced radar capabilities, and AI-powered missiles make it a powerful tool in defending Iran's airspace and deterring potential military action. The successful demonstration of the 9-day during these military drills underscores Iran's determination to enhance its defense capabilities and assert its sovereignty in a volatile region. With these new advancements, Iran is signaling to its adversaries that it is well prepared to face any threats, making it a more formidable and self-sufficient military force in the Middle East. The 9-day system, combined with cutting-edge AI technology, is a key part of Iran's broader strategy to safeguard its interests and ensure its defense against increasingly sophisticated threats.